Want a creative, professional resume that's quick, easy, and absolutely free? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a standout resume on Canva for free and without any design skills. Let's dive in. First, just head over to canva.com in your browser. You can also use the Canva app on your phone. The process is quite similar. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up quickly using your Google or Facebook account. Alright, now that we're in Canva, let's find the perfect resume template. Just type resume into the search bar and hit enter. Canva has a huge library of templates for all kinds of jobs and industries. You'll notice some have a little crown icon, those are premium. But don't worry, the free options are absolutely fantastic, and that's what we'll be using today. To narrow down the choices, you can use the search bar to filter by style. Let's go with the creative category for a modern, eye-catching look. I'm choosing this clean and modern layout. Looks nice, right? Below the template, Canva also shows similar designs you might like. This template even has 2 color versions. Click Customize this template. Now we're inside the Canva editor, where you'll customize your resume. If it's your first time and all the options seem a bit overwhelming, don't worry. We'll stick to just the essential tools you need. I think this blue version really pops. Let's go with that. Simply delete the other page. Let's start with the text, since that's the most important part of your resume. To edit any text, simply double-click on a text box and start typing your own information. It's that easy. You can also move the objects around. If needed, you can undo or redo any action from here. You can also resize them to adjust the layout. To style your text, use the top toolbar to change the font, size, color, or spacing, all with just a few clicks. Next, let's update that profile photo. Head over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. From there, you can upload your picture, and then drag it directly into the existing image frame. It'll automatically snap into place. If you need to reposition it, just click Crop and adjust it the way you like. Usually, a one-page resume is enough, but if you need more space, adding another page is super easy. Just click Duplicate Page from the top menu. It will duplicate the same page to keep the style consistent. From there, delete any sections you don't need and add your additional information. Canva makes customization really easy. For now, I don't need this page, so I'll delete it. Once you've finalized all your changes, it's time to download your resume. Simply click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Canva usually recommends PDF, and that's perfect for resumes. Just hit Download, and you're good to go. Your professional, creative resume will be saved to your device. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional-looking resume made entirely in Canva. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more resume tips and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.